Welcome back to another video, YouTube. It's your boy Brian Felix here. We have a special guest with us today, so hopefully you guys are gonna go ahead and enjoy this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, all that above. Comment down below any questions, any concerns. So today we actually have someone riding along with us, and his name is Ephraim, right? So I'm gonna call him Ephraim because I'm Hispanic and that's how we say his name in Spanish. It's Ephraim. So I'm gonna go ahead and let him introduce himself to you guys, kind of how he came across my channel and stuff like that, because he's been following me for a while, and it's just crazy, man. Like I feel truly blessed and honored, man. So like, he reached out to me and we were just following each other on Instagram. Yeah. I saw your work. I was like, hey man, you know, if you're ever like not doing anything, if you have some free time, come, you know, ride along with me. We'll get some cars knocked out, and we are here today. So I want him to go ahead and how did you come across my channel?
Well, I've been YouTubing for a while, looking at people's channels, and I ran into Mendez mobile detailing. So that's how it came about. I kept watching all his videos. He inspired me to get me going on my mobile detailing. So
that's love, man.
Learning.
That's love, man. That's love. So, like he said, he watched some of my videos. What was the first video you saw? Do you remember?
The first video I saw, actually, it was your van setup.
Word? Okay,
yeah,
that's one of the popular videos.
Yeah, because I was looking around because I wanted to set up my van.
Yeah.
Way. And I started looking up on van setup, bouncing all the products you use, all the equipment you use,
vacuum, stuff like that.
So I decided to get the vacuum, the pressure washer, and I'm still moving on. I just started not too long ago.
Right. You want to take them over to your van? Want to show them what you got going on?
So,
cool deal, man. So
this is my personal car that I use for mobile detailing. It's
just to show you guys, man.
Outlander 2020.
You don't need much. You can start with whatever you got.
It's a little messy right now, but I have the rigid vacuum for 5.0,
yes,
4 gallons. I got the Ryobi, I call it Ryobi. Yeah, Ryobi 1600 PSI. I keep some 3D all-purpose cleaner, upholstery cleaner, my brushes. Right here I got my extension cord, 100 foot. I got my Uber Flex. And I have my gun right here.
Yes, sir.
So, and just a bunch of rags, and I also got a 100 foot hose.
Same one, man.
Same one he got. As you know, I'm just learning, and I'm learning from him.
Right. And I appreciate that, man, for real. Because a lot of people do watch the videos, and most times they're pretty negative about certain things, like, oh, you shouldn't use an expandable hose, you should use this, and I'm like, hey man,
that's the best thing I've
come on,
so
man.
Far.
Exactly, like it saves a lot of space. I used to carry a regular water hose, and that used to always get tangled up. It was always hard to get in the car, the van, and I'm just like, man, what can I do to get, you know, make my life easier? Expandable hose, the best decision you'll make, I promise you guys.
No, yes, it is. It's the best thing I bought.
So, like he said, you guys, he's gonna go ahead and come along with me. He's been detailing already, so my goal is to help him do this full time. Now he doesn't know yet, but I'm gonna make him a full-time detailer because that's the ultimate goal. I'm gonna show him all the ins and outs, but majority of what I'm gonna teach him is not even gonna be detail related, because detailing is like the last piece of the puzzle. I'm gonna just show him what I did to get started and stuff like that. So hopefully you might make this a series, and we'll probably just see him in the future a lot more often. But we're gonna go ahead and detail this RSX right here. So we have this Type S. This is the exact car I started off with, bro. This is the same exact car. I just have it in a different color. So this is the exact same car I still have to this day, honestly.
I believe in black.
I have it blue. Yeah. Yep, blue. So we have a interior detail.
I seen the video that you had, I think your girlfriend riding along.
Oh, yep. We were picking up supplies. Yeah. We were picking up supplies. Yeah, man, that's dope, man. So this is pretty basic. I know all the ins and outs of his car because I own one myself. So we're gonna go ahead and shampoo his carpets for him. Just do a light touch up. I mean, there's not really much to do in here. Just based off, you know, my experience with this car. Seats are all torn up, so we can't do too much about that. It's pretty loud right now, but you guys are seeing the condition here. We'll go ahead and open this trunk up. I'm gonna go ahead and take all this stuff out, vacuum it out nice and clean for him.
I'm gonna get a bag and start putting stuff in the bag.
You need gloves?
Yeah, I got some.
You got some? Alright, cool deal. So yeah, we not too much going on in here. We just put his personal stuff in his car. I mean, in the bag, and clean this up nice and clean for him. Clean up those wheels. Look at them wheels, man. This is nice rims. I don't even have these rims actually. I believe these are the stock RSX rims, but I don't even have them in my car. This thing looks nice. Alright, you guys, so Efren is retouching up that door there. Just a little bit of spots and stuff like that. I'm just going over the detail, but overall, he did an amazing job. It looks very clean, very detailed, and it looks how it's supposed to. It looks good, man. It looks brand new. So what we're gonna do now is go ahead and get ready to shampoo the carpets. So I made sure I told Efren, I was like, hey man, look, take some before and after pictures on your phone so you can post on your Instagram story, your Instagram page, because when I first started, that was my biggest thing. It was making sure that I was keeping track of what I was doing, how I was doing it, and showing other people, can't even talk, and making sure that I was showing other people what I was capable of doing and accomplishing, right? So that's what we're gonna go ahead and do. I'm gonna go ahead and take his phone, take some pictures with it, record the process with my drill and stuff like that, like I do for my own page, and make sure we post that on his Instagram story so we can get his Instagram up and popping, get some eyes, get some traffic, get some engagement going on his detail business. So it's kind of dark, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and shampoo the seats, not the sheets, the carpets, and extract them out, and then it's pretty much it. We're just missing a cup holders on the back, but that's a basic wipe down. Yeah, it's a pretty small car, but overall we're done with the inside. Have you ever shampooed before?
No, I haven't had a customer yet for shampoo. Okay,
well, we're gonna go ahead and shampoo the carpets. I'm gonna go ahead and show you. You have the 3D shampoo. That's what I'm using. Okay. So we already have that in the bottle. And then, do you have a drill brush set?
I have a drill brush set, and I also have a drill, but I left it at home.
Oh, no worries. I mean, I have one there, so it's all good. We can share the same one. Have the steamer heated up already. It's ready to roll. I'm gonna go ahead and show them how we extract and shampoo stuff. So the steamer was $200 on Amazon. You say you could find it at like Home Depot?
Yeah, around there.
All right, cool deal, man. You can save some money.
Get one today.
Nice, nice. Might have to call you up for a shampoo now for my car. So yeah, it has a lot of attachments, but I like to use this triangle one here. Okay. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and just shampoo this top floor mat carpeting area thing. So we'll just give that a few pumps. Yeah, it's pretty tight, so it should be good. I gave it a few already, so just go ahead and spray, you know, everywhere. Make sure you get an even amount across all the carpet and stuff.
Okay.
I'm saying it, but it's more so for the video. Oh, Siri over there talking.
Yeah, she's always in my business.
All right, so before we use the steamer, we're gonna go ahead and use the drill.
Okay.
So we're gonna go ahead and agitate the carpet with the drill.
Let me know if I can help.
In a crosshatch pattern. I'm pretty sure you already know that.
Like this?
Yeah. Yep. Alright, YouTube, we just finished up the R6 Type S. Just gonna show you guys the after results here. This thing looks crazy clean. Went in and shampooed the carpets and stuff. Left our air freshener up there. It's gonna be it for this detail. We'll catch you guys at the next car. I haven't tried it yet. Alright, YouTube, so we just finished the interior detail on this Toyota Corolla, and he was just telling me, a friend was just telling me how when he first got started, this is what he used, you guys. So he used a water hose attachment, Mr. Pink, no pressure washer, no nothing.
And just my foam cannon.
And the foam cannon, which we're gonna use.
Which is chemical guy.
The foam cannon that attaches to the water hose, right?
Yep.
Okay, well, we're gonna go ahead and try this out. Try out his method on this Corolla here. Knock this exterior wash out real quick. And for the door jambs and stuff, I'm gonna just go ahead and spray some degreaser, just let it sit. And then we'll just go ahead and wipe it off once we're done. So here's a look at the interior. It didn't turn out to be entirely too bad. It looks a lot better than what it did. The carpet was a little bit of work because it was just not cooperating. It was just tough to get the, you know, carpet, dirt off the carpet and stuff. So it was just the basic detail. We lightly lightly shampooed the seats for the client. And we didn't shampoo the seats because that wasn't what was requested for this service, even though that it needed it. So gonna just go ahead and start washing it. I'm gonna do a walk around, stuff like that, just see if there's anything we need to do. I need to remove this glue thing there that's stuck on there. I'm gonna go ahead and use my glue gun with a plastic blade to remove that. But besides that, we're gonna go ahead and
smell like bubble gum.
Yeah, let me see. It looks cool, man. So does it spray pink or is it white?
It sprays.
It's like white, but it looks
white.
it's
Foam.
like pink.
Yeah.
Pink film on stuff. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and retouch everything up. I'm gonna have a friend touch up the wheels and stuff as I do my last walk around the interior, and then we're gonna go ahead and end the video there. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go ahead and end it here, but I'm gonna show you the after results once we're finished. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hopefully you guys learned something from A-Frame's experience, his, you know, ambitious dedication to making his detailing business happen, because a lot of people always make up excuses, but this guy right here is not making any, and he's just leading by example, you know. So here you have it. Peace out, you guys. Hustle never settle. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's catch you guys in the next one. Let's go. Oh, And Happy New Year's. I almost forgot. Happy New Year's to everybody. Happy 2022. Let's go.